Hello CAD users, and welcome to the very first Did You Know episode in a series of Did You Knows that represent tips and tricks for using RealCAD, LANDWorksCAD, ArborCAD, and any add-on application that's used with the RealCAD software as its core. Quite often it's difficult to make easy selections when there are a lot of objects in the way, or those objects cross over other objects. So, in this instance, by simply holding down the Control key and the Alt key at the same time, left mouse clicking and dragging across the objects, in this case these lines, it will select them without selecting the plane underneath. I can do exactly the same across these lines. Remember not to go too quickly, otherwise the system will not select every single object. So just be steady in the way that you drag across, and you can select. And without pressing or holding the Shift key, you can also deselect. So this is a very, very handy tool. You don't have to be directly over this edge of the line. I can also just come to this corner, and it will select there as well. It won't select groups. These trees are group entities. If I cross over the group entities or the text, it will not select them. It's only for selecting open entities, that's entities that are not attached to other objects, as in they're not part of a group, not part of a component, and it allows you to select arcs, lines, and curves very, very easily. This is a really useful tip, and I hope this first tip will be as useful as the rest that we're going to present to you every couple of weeks.